Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing another PR unboxing of Rosalind products. They were kind enough to send me another gel polish kit, so I'll be showing this to you today. I love that this says be your own manicurist because that's what we all are really. Okay, so in the back, again, it just gives you some information about them. They gave me a 6-piece gel polish kit. It has all the ingredients here, and they are a 7-free formula company where they do not have parabens, gluten, formaldehyde resin, DBP, toluene, and camphor ingredients in their products. Here's a cautionary tale. Manufacturing information. And these products are made in China as well as company based. The website is www.rosalindbeauty.com. And here, as well as other information pertinent to their products, recyclable, 24 months to expire once opening, not animal tested, stuff like that. So here we have our 6-piece gel polish kit. These are some challenging shades. I've been getting some challenging shades from Rosalind because I would like to kind of incorporate them in my designs. For me, it's easy to use the darker colors. So it'll be quite interesting to see what I do next with these guys here. So this is a different looking bottle from what I've been opening. This is a different kind of kit, I guess. And I'm just going to open up each bottle and show you the shades. I'll tell you now, these are really beautiful, beautiful, like pink kind of shades. And this is the part 1 video. So if you would like, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click on that notification bell because I'm going to be doing a part 2 to this video where I'll be actually swatching, aka more or less like doing a design with all of these colors, which is also the challenge. The couple other PR videos I did for them, there were 8 pieces, so I do find it a little difficult to try to incorporate 8 different colors on one set. So at least this is only 6, but the challenge is these shades are so close alike that I just gotta find a way to distinctively showcase each color on its own, kind of on each nail. So I will have to see how I'm going to do that and make a nice design for you guys. So stay tuned on that. But yeah, I mean, and this is the different packaging from what I've received a couple times before. And but these guys are snug as a bug. So, you know, I have received packages from other companies and their polishes are let loose. Or the packaging is not sturdy enough to where they come out of their little plastic cases like this. But these are pretty snug. So you're going to receive this package from overseas, or I know people get it from Amazon and it's a lot quicker. These ones I've been receiving from who knows where, but um, definitely no breakages at all. So, but yeah, this one looks pretty promising. I love this shade. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I have an idea of what I'm gonna do, you guys. And it's maybe gonna be a little bit kind of fall based, but on a lighter side. Um, I'm not sure. There's just so many pretty colors. I just don't know how I'm going to be able to represent each one in the best way. Oh, and this one is so pretty. It's almost close to that lilac color I love so much. But yeah, so this is the set, you guys. I hope you're as excited as much as I am to see the part 2 of this video, to see what I'll be doing with these polishes. But thank you so much for joining me today. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again later this week. I have so many videos lined up for you. I can't wait to show them to you all. Thanks. Bye.